fold mountains. Therefore, these are of two types. So whenever I use the fold mountains, they are going to be uplifted marine sediments and sedimentary rocks at the collision boundaries. तो जब भी हम fold mountains बोलेंगे, so mountains are of different types. Mountains can be fold mountains. Mountains can be volcanic mountains. Volcanic mountains can be block mountains. Block mountains because of rifting. Volcanic mountains, volcanism. ये अलग type के mountains हैं. So whenever I say fold mountains, this is what I mean. Fold mountains are uplifted sediments. They're uplifted sedimentary rocks of marine origin at the collision boundaries. And they are of two types. We have the OC collision, where we will have Andes type of mountains. And these mountains are along the continental coast. They are the margins of the oceans. And the second type of fold mountains are the CC collision mountains. These are the Himalayan types. और ये दोनों में difference है. The biggest difference is that these can have active volcanism, but these will not have active volcanism. And these are the last stage in the collision, and these, okay, and these will be enormous height because of large sediments and very large compressive forces. Okay.